Today we're gonna have some summer fun. First, I'll show you how to make keto lemon cupcakes, which actually started out as a cake recipe, which was a fail, and there will be more on that later. Then I'll share a couple of lemon crafts and ideas for lemon place setting decor. So let's go ahead and get started. I got the oven preheating to 350 degrees. And here are the ingredients that you'll need to make 24 regular sized cupcakes. 2 cups fine almond flour. I used Bob's Red Mill. 1/3 cup coconut flour. This is the Simple Truth organic brand. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/2 tablespoon vinegar, 1/2 cup of milk, 4 large eggs at room temperature, 2/3 cup of Truvia or whatever granulated monk fruit sweetener you like, 2/3 cup walnut oil, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1/2 tablespoon lemon zest. I have the vinegar in here and I'm going to add the milk so it can curdle for 5 minutes. And we'll let that do its thing while we mix the other ingredients together. First the dry, then the wet. Then we will add that curdled milk. Wait for it. That looks gross, but somehow it turns out tasting really good. So don't worry about that too much. Let's keep going. Next, we'll mix those wet and dry ingredients together. Hey, if you're stopping by my channel for the first time, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. I'm Maria, and I'm a graphic designer, so being creative is a passion that I want to share with you. I create videos on how to get creative in your home. So if you like DIYs, recipes, and other creative types of inspiration, then please consider hitting that subscribe button right now. And don't forget about that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button. And then if you hit that, you'll know when my next video goes up. Okay guys, here's where I messed up. I did grease the pans, but I should have either greased and floured them or used parchment paper in the bottom so that these would have come out a lot more easily. Look what happened here. They tasted really good, but they just would not come out of those pans. It must be something with the almond flour and the coconut flour. Another option would be to use silicone pans. If you do try this recipe in cake format, let me know what you did if yours came out nicely. I was frustrated, but sometimes mistakes aren't always mistakes because you end up learning a lesson from the mistake you made. So I was glad that I decided to try this again, but I used silicone cupcake liners because, well, just look how pretty they came out. If you don't have a wire rack to cool your cupcakes, you could just put them onto your stovetop grates like I did here. That way they have air circulating around them to evenly cool them down. Oh, and cleaning up these silicone cupcake liners is easier than you may think. I just fill up my sink with soapy water and let them soak for a bit. Then I flip them inside out and I wash them with a sponge. A quick rinse and drying with a towel, and they are good as new. I'll link the ones that I have in the description box below. While those cupcakes are cooling for 30 minutes, let's get some lemon zest and the lemon juice going for the frosting. I like to put those leftover lemons down the kitchen drain, and when they get crushed up, they freshen up your kitchen disposal and your whole kitchen will smell like fresh lemons. Don't forget to keep watching to the end to see some lemon DIYs to go along with these cupcakes. For the frosting, you will need 1/3 cup of butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese that's been softened, 2 cups Lakanto monk fruit sweetener, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of that lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of that lemon zest. Using a hand mixer, add the softened butter and beat for around 2 minutes until that butter is light and fluffy. Then add that cream cheese and continue beating for an additional 3 minutes until the butter and the cream cheese are blended together. Slowly add that powdered sweetener, vanilla extract, lemon juice, lemon zest, and milk, and beat for a couple minutes until it's creamy and smooth. These would be so fun to make for Mother's Day or a lemon-themed birthday, bridal, or baby shower. Now that we have our lemon theme going, here are a couple quick DIYs that would be perfect for setting the table with these healthy lemon cupcakes. Cut a small slit and add a place card in there. Or decorate a toothpick and stick that in the lemon. You could also write the guests' names right on the lemon with a Sharpie pen, or use a little twine and a hole punch to attach that name tag to the lemon. Another way to decorate the table would be to add a cute little sign. I have this frame and I just printed out a cute lemon sign to put in there. If you had several frames, you could do this for each place setting and put the person's name on there. Oh, and I will have a blog post on artsycupcake.com in case you want to refer to this recipe or download the printables for all of these crafts. I'll put that link in the description box below this video. Tying some twine around a glass jar and then filling with lemon slices is so simple, elegant, and low cost. You could add some yellow flowers on the top or just leave it like this. Now that you have your lemon cupcakes, how about some basil lemonade and a gorgeous navy and yellow tablescape? Check out that video right over here, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button right here before you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.